What I love the most about Oceanside is that you can really participate in what's happening here. You really can be a part of the future of Oceanside, whether it's through your art or through your music or through your community contributions. Everyone matters here in Oceanside, and the artwork that's created is really reflective of that.
Within a small footprint, we have theaters and art and museums, and bring that all together right near the coastline. It just creates a really rich tapestry for our community.
Our guiding principle as curators was following the Oceanside Museum of Art's curatorial mission, which is Southern California artists, sometimes traditional, sometimes edgy, but always unexpected.
We're really reaching out into the community, and we're creating even more destination status for the city of Oceanside and for those artists of our region to be recognized for their talent and for the unique voice that they bring to Southern California.
This piece is comprised of hundreds of individual pieces that I hand sculpted in my studio, and it's going up in the Seabird right over the reception desk, and I'm really excited that it's going to greet visitors as they come into the hotel.
What I hope for the guests to experience is to feel that sense of serenity that nature and the wilderness can give us. They're photographs as well as items I've collected from nature, like seaweed, feathers, dried grasses. So it's really made directly from the sun and the ocean and all of the imagery that this region is blessed with.
The work is made from used t-shirts that I cut up and knit back together into these forms. And I source most of the shirts from the local thrift store. So almost every piece of this has come from someone who's lived in Oceanside.
I like the hotel as an opportunity to make art something that you live with and not something that you see as sort of a special occasion, but something that's really integrated into your life.
We're making work for the Mission Pacific Hotel, the 3 elevator cabs, and this is going to be one of them right here. There are layers that are hidden, and by moving, things appear.
Our work will be behind the reception desk and should be a really wonderful thing for people to interact with as they get ready for their fantastic weekend experience. There'll be a very independent feeling of community in the piece itself, in that it's not absolutely perfect, that each person has done it in their own way.
I think that Oceanside is the ideal place for an art collection like you see at the hotels. These local artists are going to beautify and really personalize these hotels in a way that you won't see anywhere else.